Subscribe to my channel Rise of Technology and click on the bell icon to get more updates. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Rise of Technology and I am Rohit. So this is my second unboxing video, and as I told you in the last video that I am going to bring something super cool. So I am up with a ring light and a tripod. So ring light, it has 3 modes of light, and the tripod is made up of steel. And so I have bought this ring light specially for you guys to give you more clarity content and entertain you.
Wait a minute!
Hey भाई, intro अभी क्यों डाल रहा है? So let's start with the unboxing.
I am the one, the way your son don't need it.
I'm opening the package. So the first thing we can see is the ring light. Okay, it's packed very well. Let's keep it aside. Now let's open this. Oh, it's awesome. It's USB. We have to connect with the adapter. See, it is very good. Coming to the ring light, it is 18 inches big, and this is the remote control for the ring light. There are 4 buttons for on off and plus and minus and changing of the modes of the light. And this is the mobile holder to keep a mobile light off, and this is the stick for the mobile holder. Okay, so now let's open the tripod. This is huge enough for anyone to make videos, and it is very long. And the tripod is 2 meters, so it is enough for anybody to use. So let's fix it with the ring light. This is the first picture without the ring light. It is normal light which you have in your homes. I'm just showing you for your reference. This is the first mode of the ring light. It is a little bit dim. This is the second mode of the ring light, which is a little bit bright. And this is the third light. So I have no light now in my room, and this is the only ring light which is in use now. So this is the brightness of this ring light, and I feel this is worth it with the tripod, which is steel and which is awesome feature in this tripod. Guys, this is all for today's video, and if you like this video, give this video a like down below and subscribe to my channel Rise of Technology, and comment down below if you want to see more unboxing videos. Okay, meet you next week. Bye.